In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Forms. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you're working with an international audience or simply prefer a specific date layout for your forms. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your Google Forms. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting the form you want to work on. Once you're in your form, the next step is to click on your profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you want to select Manage Your Google Account. This option will redirect you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your Google account. After you've landed on your account management page, look for the section labeled Personal Info. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where you can see all the personal details associated with your account. Here, you need to find the Language section. The language setting is crucial because it influences the date format that appears on your forms. Inside the language settings, you'll see an option to Add another language. Click on this option to proceed. You'll be prompted to type in your preferred language. It's important to note that the date format often changes with the language setting. For instance, if you choose UK English, you'll typically get the day, month, year format, whereas US English will give you the month, day, year format. Once you've selected and added your preferred language, the date format associated with that language will automatically be applied to your Google Forms. This means you don't have to adjust any additional settings within Google Forms itself. The change is made at the account level, and it trickles down to your forms as well. And there you have it. Your Google Forms should now display dates in the format of your chosen language. This small change can make a big difference, ensuring that the date format aligns with your preferences or those of your audience. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching and happy form making!